In Jack and the Beanstalk, the giant is having one big tantrum. Let's fly into this book and change the story. Super Y to the rescue! Super flying! Super job! You found all of the super letters. Let's go change this story. Let's read. The giant is angry. With the power to read, we can change this story and save the day. Let's change the word angry. Ready, set, zap! Y Rider, right. What's the opposite of angry? Mad is not the opposite of angry. Try another word. What's the opposite of angry? Happy. Ready, set, zap! Let's read. The giant is happy. Super job, Super U! We changed the story and saved the day.